One of our favorite hacks in STAR-CCM Plus is a part replace operation combined with a local meshing operation. We start with a simulation of an anemometer sitting on a building roof that has been previously meshed. We'd like to change the anemometer being tested without remeshing the entire domain. We begin by right-clicking the part that will be exchanged and choosing Part Replace. We choose our new part from the File menu, and the part is then imported with the old surfaces being replaced with the new surfaces. Next, we highlight the meshing operation and inspect the properties of the mesh. We toggle on Perform Local Meshing in the Expert Properties. This adds a subfolder to the meshing operation in the simulation object tree called Local Extents. We right-click the Local Extent folder to create a new local meshing operation, adding the new surfaces to a surface type local meshing operation. We choose to create a new volume mesh anywhere within 1 inch of the new surface. We then re-execute the meshing operation, cutting down on time to mesh this problem from 10 minutes to 3 minutes by adding this local mesh operation.